rumor has it that if you climb up here and twist this, so that right there is Rusty. So, you guys won't believe this. I actually called Kris Nevercutt, who is the person that built the statue, and he agreed to do an interview. So I'm headed that way right now. So I'm on my way to Kris's, and he's only about 10 minutes from the factory, which is good. I'm driving right through downtown Franklin at a red light right now. He told me I was in for a surprise. All right, so here we are. I think I see the surprise. Holy moly.
Rusty is my tribute to American industry. It took approximately 2,000 hours spread out over 6 years. Once upon a time, I called it protest art, and I was protesting American industry leaving the country. I like art that moves.
This, Rusty's head will turn.
You turn his thumb, it'll turn his head. Rusty is supposed to look like he's walking. He just clocked out. The watch on his wrist is an actual time clock, and it's stopped at 3 minutes after 4. He's clocked out, he's left the factory, he's going home. This is a prototype of the farmer. We did him first. Started out with a drawing back here on the wall. This was how it started.
Did the client bring this drawing to you?
No, I brought that to the client.
Okay, he gave you the vision.
Yes, and we started with that. A friend of mine did that. Then he wanted to see more. That wasn't enough vision for the client. So we did this.
He had you build the prototype.
Yes. A life-size version.
It's fascinating.
Here's his head.
Okay, and this is his head.
So far, it isn't finished. Right now, he doesn't have a thought on his mind.
Is it Luther the farmer?
Luther's the farmer.